Hello everyone, welcome to the maths class. So students, from today onwards we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 4, simple equation. Alright, so before starting the exercise, let us have some introduction of the chapter. Okay, so first of all, let us learn about what is equation. As you all know, the chapter is based on this term, that is equation. Alright, so let us have an idea. It states that a statement that the values of two mathematical expressions are equal. Okay, a statement in which the two mathematical expressions are equal. So it is indicated by the sign equals to. Alright, so here you can see in the example one I have given here that this is a equation. Why it is an equation? Because here you can see the equal to sign. If there is no equal to sign, say suppose you don't have this equal to sign and 8, only 2x plus 3 is there, then we will not consider that as an equation. We will just consider as a expression, that as an expression. Alright, but that we will not consider as an equation if there is no equal to sign and 8. Alright, if suppose there is equal to sign and any other number, then we will consider it as a whole, as an equation. Alright, so if there is no equal to sign, then it is the expression. Okay, so now a new terms will come. What is this 2, 3 and 8 here? 2, 3 and 8 are coefficient. Alright, and x is a variable. X, y, p, q, l, m, whatever is there, whatever alphabetical terms are there, that we will consider as a variable, and that combines with the coefficient 2 into x. There in between there is a multiplication sign, and this plus is a sum here. Okay, and this equal to sign will be denoting equality in between these two equation or the expression. Okay, so this side, in the left hand side, we will consider as a LHS, and the right hand side, after the equal to sign, this 8 we will consider it as a right hand side of the equation. This is 2x plus 3 is the left hand side of the equation, and 8 is the right hand side of the equation. Alright, so let us see the next example also. So the next example we have here, just you can see here, x is a variable as I mentioned, and 5 is a value or the coefficient, and this 10, whole 10 will be representing what x plus 5 is equal to. Okay, that is x plus 5 is equal to 10. This equal to sign represents equality or the whole. With this we will consider as a equation, and this plus, instead of plus there may be minus also. Okay, instead of this you may find the multiplication sign also. So this we will hold as a consider as a equation. So student, based on this only we will try to solve our exercise which is given in your book. Okay, so without any delay, let us start solving the exercise 4.1. Alright, so here we have the first question, that is number 1. Complete the last column of the table, that is this column we have to fill up here. So what we have to do here is, this is the equation given here, just see x plus 3 is equal to 0. Why it is equation? Because there is equal to sign, and x plus 3 is the left hand side, and 0 on the other hand is your right hand side. Okay, so we have to put the value of x is equal to 3 here. Here we have to put the value of x 3, then we have to solve and say whether the equation is satisfied or not. If you are getting the value 0 after putting the value of x 3, then it is satisfying the value, yes. Then if it is not satisfying, then we will put as a 0. So student, this one we will solve in our copy. Okay, so you have to be very careful and understand the thing properly. Okay, so let us start solving. So student, here we have the overall question from exercise 4.1. Complete the last column of the table given. Okay, so the equation is given, the value is given, and you have to put this value over here, and you have to state, and you have to say whether the equation is satisfied with yes or no. Simple. Just I will solve this here in rough paper, and then I will verify the equation, okay, by putting the value. So first equation is x plus 3 is equal to 0. You have to put the value of x, that is 3. So putting the value of x, will get 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 on the left hand side and the right hand side, right? So is it matching? It is 0. 3 plus 3 is 6 is equal to 0. It is not matching. 6 is not equals to 0, so LHS is not equals to RHS. So we are going to write here no, because I hope you have understood this. Similarly, we have our next question, x plus 3 is equal to 0. We have to put the value of x here, 0. 3 is equal to 0. So 0 plus 3 is 3. It is not equals to, again, so LHS is not equals to RHS. So again we are going to write here no. The equation is not getting satisfied. Next, x plus 3 is equal to 0, in which our x value is minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. So minus 3 plus 3, you know, it is 0. So in this case LHS is equal to RHS, right? So we will say it is yes, the equation is getting satisfied. Similarly, we have our next question, x minus 7 is equal to 1. X value is 7, so 7 minus 7 is it is x minus 7 is 1, so it is 1 here. So 7 minus 7 is 0 is equal to 1. So LHS is not equal to RHS, right? So over here we'll write no. Similarly, our next question, number 5, it is 5x is equal to 25, in which x value is 8. So 5 into 8 is equal to 25. 5 8 is 40 is equal to 25. Is it equal? No. That's why we will write here no, because this is not equal to this. So here we have the number 7. Next is number 7, 5x equals to 25, in which our x value is 0. So 5 into 0 is equal to 25. 5 0 is 0, which is not equal to, so it is no. Again, 5x plus is equal to 25, in which x value is 5, 25, 5 5 0, 25 is equal to 25. So in LHS and RHS both sides are equal, so we will write yes. Similarly, our next is number 9, m by 3 is equal to 2. Our m value is minus 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. It is 2, but it is minus 2, so it is also not equal to. We will write no. Okay. Next is m by 3 is equal to 2, in which m value is 0. 2. So anything divided by when you divide 0, it is 0 only, so it is not equal to, so no. M by 3 is equal to 2, in which our m value is 6, right? So it is 6 divided by 3 is 2, so it is 2 is equal to 2. So it is equal in left hand side and right hand side, both are equal, so we will write here yes. Alright, so with this the last column is fulfilled. Alright, I hope you have understood, and with this our question number 1 is also over. Okay, moving forward to question number 2, we have check whether the value given in the brackets is a solution to the given equation or not. So you have to do in a similar manner which we have done in the previous one, that is question number 1. So you have to put the value. If this given value in a bracket is giving you a solution, then yes, the value is perfect, otherwise it is not. Okay, so number A, n plus 5 is equal to 19. So what is the value of n? 1 is given. Put the value. 1 plus 5 is equal to 19. Alright, so 1 plus 5 is 6. In left hand side it is 6, and it is on the right hand side it is 19. So it is not equal to, alright, so it is so first of one is it is not the solution. It is not the solution. What is not solution? The given value in the bracket is not the solution. Okay, next, 7n plus 5 is equal to 19, in which n value is minus 2. So what is the value of 7? Minus 2.
plus 5 is equal to 19. Solve LHS first of all. 7 to the 14 minus 14 plus 5 is equal to 19. It is minus 14 plus 5, so it is minus 11. Extremely sorry here. It is minus 9 is equal to 19. So it is also not equals to, so we will write here in number B also it is not the solution. That is minus 2 is not the solution. Similarly, number C we have 7n plus 5 is equal to 19, in which n value is 2. So put the value of n plus 5 is equal to 19. 7 to the 14 plus 5 is equal to 19. So when you solve this, what you'll get, 14 plus 5 is 19 is equal to 19. So it is equals to, right? So yes, we can write, yes, it is the solution. Alright, I hope you have understood now how to do, right? So in this case, we did not found the solution because they were not equal in right hand and left hand side. But in this case, the right hand side and the left hand side is equal. So we are going to say yes, it is the solution. So similarly, student, number D, E and F, you will try to solve it yourself. Okay, so this much for today.
See you in the next class. Till then, stay safe and healthy and do not forget to practice. Alright, thank you everyone.